when I am bringing attention to the evil and wickedness and the arson by some of you people in Lagos against Igbo people. This fire was set up last night in a market they call a computer village. Okay, and you cannot tell me it is a coincidence. It cannot be a coincidence. Whenever the market people are not around, they go back home, then they set the fire in the night. Now tell me, why is it only in Lagos that this thing is happening? Number one. Number two, why is it usually when the market traders have gone home in the middle of the night? Why is the fire not burning in the morning when the traders are there? Why is it not burning in the afternoon or in the evening just before they go? But whenever they go home in the middle of the night, you people will come and pour fuel. My prayer is God is watching everybody. And you see, you the arsonist, you that is committing this evil, one day, monkey go market, you know go return again.